Dolphy. Optical illusions on the bass clarinet sound like sonic confusion, but it's just something you've not met before. Score exploring, exploding onto new terrain like Coltrane. Don't need a weather vane to hear the song the wind gave. In Europe, reaching out to souls with George Gervin finger rolls of light, chronicling the flight of octagonal discs alight. The vibraphone blinks blue sights, navigation signals in the blue night, for the bass to respond to upright, sending messages from stratocumulus cool heights. Tony Williams drums tick-tock, Salvador Dali trip clocks, almost fall into folly and slip. Watch your step as you walk down these blocks. You might find yourself in detox. Dolphy watched ships on the Seine as they reached docks. Sailed rhythms Mingus and Coleman helped unlock. Knocking on doors made of sheetrock. Blasting holes like Bill Russell blocking weak shots. Folks flock, stop talk, take stock as their jaws drop.